Outlook is a part of the Microsoft Office suite that handles Pioneer's email. Outlook will be a direct replacement for Lotus Notes. In this video, we'll show you several tips on how to perform the basic functions the average user will need in Outlook. The first step of using Outlook is to log into your Office 365 account with any web browser. Open Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Then type in the search bar at the top www.office.com and click the Sign In button in the middle of the page. Type in your username. The username format is the first letter of your first name, then your last name, and @pioneerschools.org. Note that your email address will no longer end in pioneercsd.org. A new window will appear on your screen asking for your password. Your Office password is the same as your computer login password when you first log in to your computer. After signing in, you'll be greeted with the screen shown. Simply click the Outlook icon as indicated in red, and you'll be directed to your web email. In this section, we're going to have a look at the layout of Outlook and the various functions. The 3x3 blue dots near the top left, when clicked, will show all the other Office applications that can be used, such as Word, Excel, SharePoint, or Class Notebook. Shown here is a search bar that can be used to find emails in your inbox or other folders where you have emails saved. The search function is a powerful tool that can be used to find users or sent, deleted, drafted, or received email. This example shows searching by name. It also displays both emails sent by this user and their contact info. Here's an example of searching by email subject. Your initials at the top right of Outlook can be used to log out of Office 365. Clicking this icon will reveal the image shown. Click Sign Out to log out of Outlook. This next section of Outlook is where you can find your inbox, sent messages, trash, drafts, and any custom-made folders. This section in the middle of Outlook will show you the emails in the folder, such as the inbox, you're currently looking at. Selecting an email here will show it in the preview section of Outlook to the right of this middle section. This third section to the far right of Outlook is the review of any email you have selected in the middle section. There are two different ways to view an email. One way is within the email preview section on the far right of Outlook. The second option is to open an email in another window. To view an email within the email preview section, simply click the email of interest once. This will preview the email. Actions such as reply, delete, mark as junk, etc. can still be done in the preview window. To open a new window for an email, simply double-click an email in your inbox or any other folder. A new window will pop up with the same options as the preview. This can be useful if you need multiple emails opened at once. Just like every other email system, you have the ability to forward, reply, and reply to all from emails you've received. First, open an email you wish to forward or reply to, then locate the icons to the upper right of the email. These icons will perform actions on an email. This button will help you reply to the sender of an email. This one here will help you reply to all who were included on the original email. And this button will help you forward an email to whomever needed. To compose a new email, first locate the blue New Message button at the upper left of Outlook. To the right of Outlook in the Email Preview section, you'll see a blank email form with a signature if you've set one up. We'll cover that in a later section. Look for the Send button to send the email you just wrote. The Attach button will allow you to attach a file, and we'll cover that one later. And the Discard button will cancel the drafted email that you just started. At this point, fill out the To, add a subject, and the body of the email as you would normally. Notice the tab circled in red at the bottom of the email. You're able to view multiple new emails at one time. You can switch between any one email by clicking the tab that represents each email. To send the email, simply click the Send button near the bottom left of the screen. You can create a custom signature just like in other popular email providers. Click the gear icon near the top right of Outlook. A sidebar will populate to the right entitled Settings with a search bar. In this search bar, type in Signature. A list should show a result of email signature. Click this result to bring up the Settings window of Outlook. In the Settings window, the search result we clicked will directly open the Signature Edit page. In this window, we're presented with an editing space to compose a signature. There are other options here that can be personalized. You can change the default font and size of an email you compose. Scroll down further to find this setting under Message Format. It is recommended that you indicate what your old email address was and that it has been changed in your signature. This will help users and companies know we have changed our email address. You can create folders to put incoming or read emails into to help organize your email account. The easiest way to create a new folder is to find the drop-down menu named Folders located in the far left section of Outlook. Scroll down until you see a link in blue labeled New Folder. Clicking this link will populate an empty field to name your new folder. From this point, you can drag and drop emails from Outlook's middle section to any folder in the section on the left. You can delete or rename folders as well, as they are no longer needed and need to be repurposed in Outlook. Simply right-click the folder of interest and click Delete Folder or Rename from the new drop-down list. There are other useful options in the drop-down list as well, such as Create New Subfolder or Move. You can have incoming emails automatically route to different folders of your choice. This can be useful if you want to organize emails in folders. Start by right-clicking the email you want to make a rule for and click Create Rule near the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will populate a window that asks where you want to have all emails sent by a user. You can specify any folder or subfolder. You can create a new folder as well. Or, if you do not see a folder that you know exists, click Move to a different folder at the bottom to show all locations in your email. Click OK to confirm. The To field can be used to find users within Pioneer's directory. The best way to search from users is to search the user's legal name. If a nickname or a short name is used, it's not likely the user will be found. The search function will search by first and last name and will search while typing in a name. This allows you to guess names if you're unsure of the spelling of a name. Simply start typing in the name of the person you're emailing. Highlight their name and either click on their name or press Enter to select that user. You can add attachments to an email to send to a user. The default size limit of an attachment is 25 megabytes. To add an attachment to an email, simply start a new email, then click the paperclip icon to the right of the Send button near the top or to the right of the Discard button near the bottom. A new menu will populate. Click Browse this computer if you'd like to attach something saved on your computer. Click Browse Cloud Locations if you'd like to attach a file that's located in OneDrive or saved in Office 365.